Good.
All right, you are watching DefenseReview.com. We are with Mikey Hartman of CAA.
Andrew Hopkins.
Andrew Hopkins. All right, and so he's going to take us through this little system here. So what are we looking at?
Yeah, this is our new Micro Gen 4, which we call the MCK Micro Conversion Kit. We did a whole bunch of upgrades over our previous generation. Let's go over those real quick. As a default, it comes with the extended stabilizer. This used to be an add-on. The charging handle itself stays inside the body. It used to disconnect, taking away one less action. We opened up the slide release area, so now there's no button that you have to press. You have direct contact with the slide release. Everyone wanted a spare magazine holder, so we made a spare magazine holder. We made this a forward ergonomic grip, so it's much easier to do. Drew actually helped us out with that one, and now it's easier to pull back. Now, the biggest changes that we did is that in one model, we're able to put both the 17, 18, 19, 19X, 22, 23, 31, 32, 45 in the same model, because the shroud itself moves back and forth. So I'm able to adjust it depending on the length of the slide. It's also 100% made in the USA, which is very important for us. We make it in Florida, and it's $100 less retail. So this is retailing at $249.
Wow.
Another cool thing that we just came out with, we made one for the Glock 20 and 21. We made one for the Sig Sauer P320, full size and compact, and we made one for the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0, full size and compact. Now Drew will tell you a little bit about how it goes when he's shooting with it.
Yeah, so, well, it provides a really stable platform for shooting, which is awesome. I mean, Glock is easy to shoot in the first place, but adding this on makes it just even easier. One of the things I love the most about this, especially compared to like competitors, other models, and even older generations, is the fact that everything is included, everything is integral in this MCK. So on previous models and on a lot of competitors, you have to put an attachment on your Glock before you put it into the chassis of the weapon system. But now all that is inside. So you literally just take your Glock, shove it up in there, close this, and you're good to go. It's super fast. I love it. You've got a very ergonomic flashlight here. Some pretty good lumen. What's the lumen count?
500 lumens.
500 lumens. I love it. As far as shooting, it's nice and stable. It fits in a small backpack. It'll fit in this backpack right here, actually, which is pretty awesome. I'm not going to put it in there because people think I'll be stealing it.
We start putting the sling bag on there. So we got
have you put a lot of rounds through it, or?
Yeah, well, not this one because I just got this version
this is brand new.
But I've had Ronis since Gen 1, so since 3-4 years, and I've easily put 15, 20,000 rounds through Ronis, and the old ones performed well. So far this one's performed awesome. So yeah,
very cool. And can you tell us quickly about the sight that's on this?
I can go there. You also know it.
Thank you very much, Drew. Really appreciate it.
I'm also going to, real quick before we do that, I'll just show you how this works.
Okay.
You press down on this button and you open up the door. You got to slide with, you have a little button on the left side and the right side. I pull down simultaneously and I pull out the handcuff. That's all you got. So now the charging handle, as we said, stays inside. So what happens is when you want to put it back in, you just snap it in, close it up, and you are, now you're going to do that again, close it up, and you're good to go. You'll add that, yeah. So we'll just redo that so you can edit it. So all you do is just close it down and you're good to go. Okay? Now regarding the sight, this is called the MH1 from a company called Hartman, which is one of the companies that I run as well. What's unique about this sight, it has a remote control switch that you can add to the forward grip, and you can turn on the sight without having to disengage your hand. It has a rechargeable battery inside, so you can take your cell phone cable and plug it into the phone and recharge it. You can plug it into your computer and customize it. It has a very large window. It has a motion sensor and a sleep mode. So when you know, when you're not shooting and I go off target like this, after 10 seconds it turns off and will only wake up when I make a shooting motion. So the sight knows when you're shooting and it knows when you're not shooting. We did a whole bunch of cool stuff inside there with parallax and largest field of view.
So you have an actual motion sensor in there?
Yes, I have two motion sensors actually, vertical and horizontal. So it's a pretty cool thing. We angled the activation buttons, so if anyone wants to put a magnifier here or night vision, the buttons are angled, so even if I have gloves in the winter, I have access to them. It co-witnesses with rear backup sights, so pretty cool stuff.
Very cool. Thank you very much, Mikey. Really appreciate it. We are at CAA and Flash USA booth at SHOT Show 2019, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.